Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your Xianyu Chinese shopping app to a latest version in order to experience more and new features of Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app or Idlefish. So click on it. The next thing you need to do is to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down all the way down and then make sure you click on here. You click on here. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on here. This is going to pump up. Then click on here. So just like what you see right here, you can see the upgrade have started download. What you need to do is to make sure that the new version is fully download. Once it's successful download, then you can go ahead and upgrade your Xianyu Chinese shopping app to a latest version.